All right, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it.
Story time, a Jamaican gunman eat my pum pum and my batty.
Wait.
This
I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting it already. Okay, so we know we got a crazy story going right here.
We call him AK-47 because him did have one in nine waist and one in nine pants. Now, AK-47 was the only Jamaican man who I know up foreign, who I did take serious, who I did really love and I did really care for. Now, I know AK-47 through a mutual friend, and ever since then, me and him just click. I'm very terrified telling this story, like so terrified. Because I don't want AK-47 for buck up on that video and try to become kill my blood clot. Fun and jokes aside though, I'm literally terrified. So during 2020, I come back and AK-47 was in town and him tell me say he want to see me. So the night wind down and him text me and I say, yo, be like, mega book a hotel and I want to see you. And I never asked no questions. I did exactly what he said. Are you dumb? So I'm beard and put on my clothes and get ready for go see him. To show you how I did afraid, I was literally having an anxiety attack before I see him. Like, because I know he was a gunman, but I didn't know like the gun was gonna be present. I finally see him cacking.
She said, me no say my gun, man, but never know say the gun I gonna be present. Oh, yeah, I said, woman. Okay, so for people that don't understand what she's saying right now, for the people that are not Jamaican or don't have Jamaican people around them to decipher, a gunman would be like a bad man, like a gangster, whatever the case may be. So they like once you labeled as a gunman, you're labeled as like one like a top shotter, like a killer. You know what I'm saying? If that explains it for y'all.
In a person, I couldn't believe my eyes. I could not believe my eyes. Like, body head naturally big. But mighty God, it was giving the fire hydrant. The top of, look around pat on the top of fire hydrant.
I wasn't
my
ready
belly
for
bottom
that.
start hurt me. I will not even did start fuck it. My belly bottom just instantly start hurt me. So I say, yo, I go bathroom. I nearly shit up myself though, I'm nervous. I'm going to bathroom if I say I look prior to myself, because I said no to Bamboclat. I know my inside is going to be ruined. And I was here for it. After I done to look about the toilet and I just talk to myself and I say, alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's get to it. I come back out of the room and he wasted no time. Kiss me, kiss my neck, suck my breast, kiss my belly. Bomba blood clot. You see, when the man grab my leg, them start lift them so and start them up front. Wait.
Okay, so for people that understand why this is a big deal, why she even telling the story, which she shouldn't even told the story, but she told the story, so now I'm reacting to it. Eat oral things in Jamaica. I got to keep it PG for YouTube. Oral things in Jamaica is forbidden when it comes to men. Point blank. Like if you're known for that, you get called woolly for different something. You know what I mean?
Me never ready for that part, yeah. Wait. My belly bubbling mind the fart, yeah. As I eat my pump milk song pan him so with confusion. I say, what you doing? But in my mind, like, I never want to disturb the man.
All I see is lashes. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like all I see is things just go.
And what you doing, baby? But me have to ask myself, like, is this real? Is this really happening? Yes, when you try to put in him right for the first time, my God. We did it for about probably like 5 minutes. I try and it wouldn't go in.
Okay.
Tiny, but
Okay.
in and out. After that, him take it out, him kiss me again, him suck off my neck and everything, and lift up my foot, him like when he change a baby pampers and start eat up my body. Him all flip me over on my belly, in a back shot position, him eat up my body. I couldn't believe it. It was a pum pum and body combination. It was the ultimate Badusi combination.
Oh
I'm
God!
so bad everything this
I watch you say the ultimate.
This
start feel so nice. As me I tell a story, me I reminisce murder. Them type of man if we go to jail for them type of immaculate work here. Me didn't want to question him, but me just never bother. I go bathroom, people go pee and come back out and him a clean the rifle. I mean I attack him cocky. Anxiety catch me see him time I
Wait, he just randomly.
This
He just randomly just cleaning his gun after you came out the bathroom. Yo, am I serious gunman? Yo, let me tell you. I'm a gunman myself, but I'm a legal gunman now. Okay, me was a wicked gunman back then. You understand? But me get me things them together, And now I own legal guns, and I have some sitting right here in front of me now. So I get it. I'm not even gonna act like it's weird for you to just be grabbing your gun and touching it up. Like, well, you're a gunman, you're a gunman. You love your gun, your finger, your gun. Your finger, your woman, your finger, your gun.
Them tell me shit up myself. I go in the bathroom, go shit because my belly bubbling and it could not be held. But then him put it down, we end up watch TV together, and him asked for cuddle with me, and I cuddled, and that was that. Story time.
That was it. That was it. Oh man, I thought she had more than that, man. I guess, man. But shout out to her, man, for even telling this crazy story. She funny as hell. All I can say is, pum pum and batty, them things they not go together in a Jamaica. But today, in a today, them things are on.
What? This hour?
I'm just saying, y'all, them things is running right now. So, I mean, she better be careful because this is a real gunman. He might come back and shoot in her blood clot. So yeah, shout out to her, man, for telling this crazy story. I wonder if she got any more crazy stories, but she could have added some more context to this. I thought it was like she got caught, he got caught, but yeah. Shout out to her. All right, it's your boy Urben Curse, man. This chick on oh my god, I can't even get it out. This chick on Lord.
What? This hour?
Get it out. Her name is at the real Mickey, MICKEYY. All right, it's your boy. Holla at me, because if you don't, you just might die.
So let me stop.